Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. This video highlights the Zoloblocks installation procedure, a quick tour of the plugin dashboard, and how to use the blocks. First, go to the Plugins tab, inside your WordPress dashboard. There, click on the Add New Plugin button on top. On the redirected window, you will see a search box on your right. Click on it and type Zoloblocks. The search query will then find the plugin and show it to your display. Then you need to click on the Install Now button to install the Zoloblocks plugin. Once installed, click on the Activate button there to activate it. You will be redirected to the Installed Plugin tab, where you can see Zoloblocks installed. A dedicated tab for Zoloblocks will be populated inside the dashboard side panel. Go ahead and click on it to access the Zoloblocks dashboard. This is the Welcome dashboard. Here you can see a plugin intro content, a video, important links to the knowledge base, support, and community, and some more relevant links below. Next, click on the Blocks tab to access all the existing block features. These features come as buttons here, as you can turn them on and off as you wish. There's no separate save button, as the changes are updated instantly. There's also a tab for setting up API keys for specialized tasks. Currently, you will find Google Maps and Google reCAPTCHA API fields here. Next, under the Settings tab, you can configure the default container width, as well as enable SVG media uploading. There will be more settings added as we develop Zoloblocks further. Going back to the Welcome dashboard, you can track the plugin changelog by clicking the small icon beside the plugin version text. The changelog will help you track the plugin developments and improvements. Now, to get the plugin going, let's open a page in the Gutenberg editor. Then click on the block menu icon there and see the full lineup of advanced blocks by Zoloblocks. They appear in a blue hue, so you can distinguish them easily. To use the blocks, simply drag and drop or click on them. Once they populate on the editor, you can start customizing the content and make awesome designs faster. Thanks for enjoying this short tour of Zoloblocks.